watching me, and in today's video I'm going to show you some fashion hacks which is going to save you in 2021 from a lot of unappealing things. So yeah, if you guys like my videos and like me, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. This is my handle and the link will be given in the description box. So please subscribe before you go. And I have seen 80% of my viewers are not my subscribers, so yeah, that's kind of sad, upsetting, but please do not forget to subscribe. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So for the first hack, I'm going to show you how to change the way of styling your shirt.
So often while tying a knot in the shirt, what we do is just button up half the shirt and take the last part of the shirt and tie a knot in the front, or what we do is tuck it inside. But that is not very appealing. That's like very 2019. So what we can do is untie the knot, take those two parts of the shirt and then tie it into one knot at the back, and then tuck that into your shirt. Just see, if it's in the back, it's not it's not showing. This is turned into a top now. Look, it's so 2021. It looks like an amazing satin crop top.
Hack number 1, and for the hack number 2, I'm going to show you how to turn your oversized sweaters or sweatshirts or t-shirts, turn them into crop shirts or crop tops without wasting money or anything, and within minutes. So yeah.
So for this one, I'm going to use this boring beige oversized sweater of mine, and what we usually do while tucking it in is just simply tuck it into our jeans or the trousers that we wear, and which makes it look horrible. It looks horrible. So yeah, what I am going to do is, there are two ways to tuck it in a very stylish way. First, take your shoelace and just tie a knot in the front, just like this, and then just pull it through. Okay, just pull through the shoelace, and there you have an amazing cropped sweater. It looks so beautiful. I haven't done the back. You can do it at the back as well. And another thing is, you can tuck it into your bra. Yes, just take the bottom part of the sweater and just tuck it into your bra. It's done within a minute. It does not even take a minute to do this, and your boring sweater has turned into a cool cropped sweater. Or the same goes for t-shirts and sweatshirts as well. So this was hack number 2.
So yeah, that was hack number 2. And for the hack number 3, I'm very clumsy and I cannot have any access to my accessory. All the time I lose something or the other. So yeah, most of the time I cannot find my scrunchies or belts or any jewelry. I always tend to lose them. So yeah, this is for those people who always just keep their accessory somewhere and then forget it. So yeah, for hack number 3, it's how to tighten your loose jeans.
So as you can see, these jeans are super loose on me. So what I'm going to do is take a satin bandana and fold it nicely. See, make a triangle and then fold you can take a scarf as well, or anything in a handkerchief would work. But take a pretty one and just slide it into two of the loops of your jeans. And next what you do is just pull both the ends very tightly, so that the jeans, you can make it tie as much tight as you want, and tie a knot like that. And people will think it's a pretty cool way to wear your trousers, but what you're doing is actually a hack, but a pretty one. So yeah, that is the hack that we are doing, and it's so cool, so pretty, and people won't even know that you were wearing a loose jeans.
So that was a pretty way to turn loose jeans into a very stylish yet fitted jeans. Number 4, I'm going to talk about a very common problem in girls and women. So yeah, it's about camel toes. Now what camel toe is, it's when we wear tights or fitted leggings, like those things for yoga or for normal everyday wear, we the crotch area does not look so appealing. I mean, it makes the crotch area, you know, you can see every little bits and pieces of the goodies. So yeah, that's not very decent and appealing in public or for your own self. And yeah, I'm gonna put a picture somewhere here of what camel toes are. So in order to, you know, change that, or in order to stop that, what you need to do is
just take a panty liner and put it into your panties, and there you go, you have done the hack. It's so simple and so easy. So here you go, no camel toe showing whatsoever. You can wear these pants in public very confidently.
That's something magical. I don't know how it happens, but and it was the most used and most common hacks. So yeah, I wanted to share that on my channel as well, and I hope that helps you all. And for the fifth hack and the last one, I'm going to show you how to change your long sweatpants into, you know, how to cut short your sweatpants without actually cutting it. And yeah, it is one of the easiest hacks. It's just done within seconds. So yeah, that is hack number 5, and it's the most useful hack ever.
As you can see, the sweatpants are long as hell. Then what I'm gonna do is take a scrunchie. It's a cute one. You can use any regular scrunchie or rubber band and pull through your sweatpants, put on your scrunchie as long as you want your sweats to be, and just tuck it in. And there you go, your hack is done.
So those were all the hacks that I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I sincerely use all of these hacks in my everyday life, and I hope I hope I could keep it as realistic as it was. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and you know, follow me on Instagram. This is my handle, and also the link will be given in the description box. So yeah, bye guys, I'll see you soon in my very next video.